6.2, example 2, we're solving a trigonometric equation. This time we're using the zero factor property. And hopefully when I do that, you'll know what they mean by zero factor property. So in this case, I'm solving sine theta, tangent theta equals sine theta. I'm solving it over the interval of 0 to 360. So this time I have both sine and tangent in the same problem. Now, anytime you have two trig ratios in the same problem, you want to either try to get it to 1 or you want to get it factored so that you can use the zero factor property. So in this case, because it says that, that's what we know we're going to do. But remember, I'm solving for theta, which means I need to get all of my thetas together. So I'm going to do sine theta, tangent theta minus sine theta, because I'm going to subtract sine theta from this side so that it's now set equal to 0. Now, this is zero factor property, so I'm going to factor out my GCF. There's a term here and a term here, and both of those terms happen to have a sign in them. So that means I'm going to factor out sine, or basically undistribute. If I take a sine from here, that leaves me tangent theta, and if I divide a sine out of here, it leaves me minus 1. Now I have two factors, and both of those factors can be set equal to 0 and solved separately. So that's how I get my trig functions by themselves. So sine theta equals 0, and tangent theta minus 1 also equals 0. So now I'm trying to get theta by itself, so I'm going to arc sine to cancel the sign on this side. So I take the arc sine, and same, well, we'll do arc sine first. All right, so that cancels this on this side and leaves me theta. So I'm asking myself, yes, you could plug it in your calculator, but I'm asking myself, where does sine equal 0? Remember, sine is your y value. So sine equals 0 at 0 degrees and at 180 degrees, because it's your y value. Then let's see. On tangent, I need to move the 1 to the other side. So I got tangent theta equals 1. And then I arc tangent. And that means theta equals, where does tangent equal positive 1? So in this case, again, I can think back to my all students take calculus. I'm looking for the places where tangent is positive. Tangent is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. So I know that's where my answers have to be. Now, tangent, remember, is y over x. So I'm looking for where my y and my x value are the same, which is at 45. So I know right here at 45 degrees, tangent is equal to positive 1. So that is one of my answers. And then if you like, the other answer is directly across from that. So it's 180 degrees away. So I can just do 180 plus the 45. And that will give me my other one. So 225. So those are my two answers for tangent. And that's it.